Replacing the DRD2 is quick and straightforward. Once all power to the luminaire is off, pull down on the trim to expose the module. Turn the trim counterclockwise to remove it. Detach the module from the junction box bracket by unscrewing the two screws on the module flange. Disconnect the female connector from the hardwire adapter male connector. Disconnect the ground wire. Remove the module. With the replacement module in hand, make the ground wire connection, attaching the ground wire terminal to the junction box per national and local electrical code. Connect the module female connector to the hardwire adapter male connector. With the included screws installed, align the screws to the screw holes in the junction box bracket. Align the trim onto the module and turn clockwise until it is secure. Finally, push the trim up until it is flush with the ceiling.